Hello, my name is Sam Anthony, and I'm going to go over different file types and their uses and how to convert them. I'll be covering JPEG, PNG, and PDF files. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group, which is the name of the group that developed this type of file. It is perfect for sharing photographs. It makes a photo file smaller so that you can share it digitally. The smaller size does not take away from the quality of the picture, and it's best used for photos, digital photography, and online image sharing. As a teacher, you can use it for inserting images into Google Slides, Google Drawings, and Google Sites. Another type of file commonly used is a PNG, which stands for Portable Network Graphics. This type of file is larger than a JPEG and can hold more detailed information. The advantage of a PNG over JPEG is that there is less loss in quality each time it is opened and saved again. PNG files also handle detailed and high contrast images, making it ideal for digital worksheets and organizers and for creating interactive activities using an app like Google Slides. Another type of file seen commonly is the PDF, which is a portable document file. It produces high quality files that look most identical to a photo or document and will display correctly across different devices. For example, if you're working in a Google Docs, it's best to download it as a PDF and share the PDF so that people with different devices can all access it and get the correct image no matter what device they use. It is also printable from CISA, so if you add a PDF as an activity instead of a JPEG or a PNG, it allows the user to print that file if they choose to. And the downfall of a PDF is that it can only be imported into Google Slides, Google Docs, or Google Sites as a link and not as an image. So let's say you wanted to put a file, a worksheet as a background on a Google slide, you wouldn't be able to use a PDF to do that. Now I'm going to go over how you can convert different files from one format to another. So the first thing I want to start it with is a Google Docs. So if I wanted to share this document, I would have to actually download this first. So from File, I would go to Download, and then I would choose PDF document. And that download ends up on my computer, and I would have to then upload it as an attachment to an email. And that makes it easier for everyone to be able to get access to this file without losing the quality of the file or formatting of the file. And it comes across all devices and it looks exactly the same. So that's one way to create a PDF file. Another way to create a PDF file is if, let's say, you had a picture of a worksheet that you wanted to use, but you wanted to upload it into CISA as an activity and you wanted your students to be able to also print it. So here I have a PNG file. I can tell by the extension of the file, and I'm going to go ahead and make this into a PDF file. So to do that, all I have to do is go to the print option right here. And you can do that this is from Google Drive. You can do yours from the desktop of your computer, or if your file is in a folder on your hard drive. So you just find the print option, no matter where your file is stored in, and you can choose the destination to be saved as PDF versus choosing a printer. And when you do that, you can create a PDF file, which gets saved again on your local local folders where you have it set up. So I have mine set up to be saved on my desktop. Just make sure that you delete the dot ping or dot JPEG because that becomes part of the name of the file, and that could become confusing because this is really a PDF file. I'm going to go ahead and save it, and now I have created a PDF of this image. I also wanted to go over another option for creating a JPEG or PNG out of a PDF. So I have this great PDF close reading packet. And let's say I wanted to go ahead and choose a portion of this and insert it into Google Slides as a PNG file so that my students can use it to record their response. So I'm going to use this part where it says share 4 clues from the text that the narrator never identified to determine it was still nighttime. I'm going to go ahead and use the snip and sketch file. I'm going to go into my Windows search box. I'm going to type in snip and sketch. And I'm going to create a snip of that portion of the PDF that I want to insert into my Google slide. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangular portion over that part. And this app allows me to now save that right there by clicking on the Save button as a PNG or a JPEG. So as I said before, I recommend using the PNG when you're working with worksheets, organizers, because you don't lose the quality of the picture as much if you use a PNG file versus when you use a JPEG. So I'm going to go ahead and call this response and click on save. Now I can upload this file into Google Slides that my students can respond to this question. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.